Welcome to Bike Expert, where we dive into the fascinating world of machinery and engineering. Today, we're exploring a true icon of agricultural history, the Allis-Chalmers WD-45 tractor. Known as one of the most powerful and innovative tractors of its time, the WD-45 represents a golden era in American farming. At the time, the WD-45 represents a golden era in American farming, the birth of the WD-45. Introduced in 1953, the Allis-Chalmers WD-45 was a major upgrade from its predecessor, the WD. Designed with both efficiency and versatility in mind, it quickly became a favorite among farmers. Powered by either a gasoline or a diesel engine, the WD-45 offered up to 39 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful tractors in the mid-range market during the 1950s. Its streamlined design, combined with improved performance, made the WD-45 a standout machine. It was the first Allis-Chalmers tractor to feature a 6-speed transmission, allowing for greater control and adaptability in the field. Innovative features. The WD-45 set itself apart with several groundbreaking features. Most notable was its power shift rear wheels, a system that allowed operators to easily adjust the wheel spacing without needing additional tools. This innovation provided farmers with unparalleled flexibility when working on different types of crops and terrains. And this tool was the first to reach the mass audience, including a range of retailers such as USPS. Another significant advancement was its torque amplifier, which enhanced power delivery and allowed the tractor to handle heavy loads more efficiently. This was especially beneficial for tasks like plowing and cultivating, where consistent performance was critical. Also to hold up sand, as that was highly expensive and labor-intensive, especially for water wagons, and a versatile performer. The WD-45 wasn't just about power, it was also about versatility. With a robust 3-point hitch